Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on ANC mode or transparency mode on your headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus with using iOS device. You have to start by go to settings. Now click on your device here or go to Bluetooth and click your device here. Now we have a line mode name noise control. So if I click on the right icon, I turn on active noise cancelling. If I click on the middle one icon, I will turn on transparency mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!